This is the ultimate fitness and workout planner, a single spreadsheet that runs your whole program. You enter your goal and log your training, and the dashboard, your daily targets, and every chart fill themselves in. Let me give you a quick tour. It only takes a few minutes to set up. Everything begins on the Setup and Goals tab. You fill the cream cells once, and your daily targets and your timeline calculate themselves. You never touch the numbers on the right. In the profile, you enter the basics. Here it is: Alex, 30 years old, 5'10", starting at 185 pounds with a goal of 170, losing 1 pound a week at a moderate activity level. From that, the sheet works out your daily targets using the Mifflin-St. Jean formula. A calorie target of 2,298, 167 grams of protein, and your carbs, fat, and water goal, all calculated for you. And the goal summary turns it into a plan. 15 pounds to lose, about 15 weeks to get there, and a projected finish of October 11th. You can see exactly where you are headed. The dashboard is your whole program on one screen. The moment you log a weigh-in or a workout, these update by themselves. You are at 179.6 pounds, down 5.4 from the start, and 36% of the way to your goal. Below that you get your weekly training volume, 45,000 pounds lifted this week, your calories today against target, and a 4-day streak that keeps you honest. And 2 charts draw automatically. Your weight trend heading in the right direction, and where this week's volume went by muscle group, with legs clearly leading the way. The Workouts tab is where you log every set. You type the date, the split, the exercise, and then your sets, reps, and weight. That is all you enter. Just type across the row. Then 2 columns fill in for you. Volume is sets times reps times weight. So this bench press set comes to 4,320. And your estimated 1 rep max is worked out from the Epley formula, here at 171 pounds. Heavier sets stand out instantly. This leg press at 3 sets of 12 with 270 pounds racks up 9,720 in volume. Over time, you can watch these numbers climb as you get stronger. On the Weight and Measurements tab, you log your weight and your sizes, and the rest is automatic. Your BMI and your change from the start fill in on every row, so you always know where you stand. And it tracks more than the scale. Body fat has moved from 22% down to 20.5, and the waist is down from 35 inches to 33.6. The trend is what matters, not any single day. The Nutrition tab logs your food and shows the day's totals against the targets the sheet set for you. 2,090 calories of your 2,298 and 156 grams of protein of your 167. You just log each meal across the row, and the day's totals update live. The bottom line tells you exactly what is left. Here, 208 calories and 11 grams of protein still to go before you hit your target. The Habits tab keeps the daily basics on track. 6 small habits: your workout, protein, calories, sleep, water, and steps. You just tick each one off, and your daily score out of 6 is tallied for you. And your workout streak builds itself from those check marks. Today it stands at 4 days. It is a simple, satisfying nudge to keep showing up day after day. When you are ready, just clear the sample and type in your own stats on the Setup tab. Your targets, your timeline, and every chart recalculate around you. And it works exactly the same in Microsoft Excel and in free Google Sheets. And that is the whole planner. Set your goal, log your training and your food, and watch every number take care of itself. It is a one-time purchase with lifetime updates, no subscription, and it works offline. You will find it on Etsy from the link in the description below. Now go and train.